Yet Shebada man them have to gym switch to him at night time. Shebada back to back. This is 2025. The whole of the body man them in a them relationship and they can show them man and they can show them sponsor. A man never claim Shebada yet. Any man of Shebada have to take a night time. It's night time. Them have to gym switch in a hide.
Then me have her abandon the same position.
It's the second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye y'all.
Urban man must vex. If you introduce three something, this is the man an inmate. A prison the man come from. The man wants to see another man a bang you and see him with a bang him. You know, see as him done bang him, send him out. Go on there, girl.
Right now, his mother said, babe, would you like to explore some? We're very vanilla over here. We're very vanilla and boring, and that's how we marriage last time. And that's why I'm not have upscotch from man to man and from marriage to marriage, key.
You notice that she never yet see a man love her and a man want her? Eh? You notice how she never said that yet? This girl that tell K whole heap of something K for cuss her with. Yeah. And she alone happy and all she happy look like the man still there work.
So you are Shebada never married yet, and Shebada never have a public relationship yet. Shebada man them have to gym switch to him at night time. Shebada back to back. This is 2025. The whole of the body man them in a them relationship and they can show them man and they can show them sponsor. A man never claim Shebada yet. Any man of Shebada have to take a night time. It's night time. Them have to gym switch in a hide.
Then me have her abandon the same position. Hey, me have her abandon the same position. Always still say, and me walk and call them. Them have a tiptoe. I hide them because you're not a thief, man. Why you never come up and say you hide your husband because she be there? Why you never say that? You could have said that, my baby. Why you never say you hide your husband because he went Twitch? There's a glitch in his matrix. Why you never do that? You know you could have done all of that though. Because ask anybody on the internet, you hide yours, you show more Michael Kors than you show your man. Talk truth. But just come off a lunch date and it's only when you come back you can tell me, so we not have no proof. And it's not like when you belch you will smell the restaurant. A megabytes. So when you say Shebada not have no man, I'm gonna make you listen back to what you say.
I never claim Shebada yet. Any man of Shebada? Yeah. We're very vanilla over here. We're very vanilla and boring, and that's how we marriage a lot.
Why you listen to what you say and tell me if you're not bounce on in your room?
So that's why I'm not have to upscotch from man to man and from marriage to marriage, key. So you are Shebada never married yet, and Shebada never have a public relationship yet. Shebada man them have to gym switch to him at night time. Shebada back to back. This is 2025. The whole of the body man them in a them relationship and they can show them man and they can show them sponsor. And man.
But it look like Urban never see man a look me yet and man a look for me. I 2L me get you know. Look and look for me. You never see it yet, Urban? I may get it from before 2025. Why Urban not do a history for my man come public with me? Who come public with you? First and foremost, man run joke with me. Your relationship I run joke with you behind closed door. Man come up and veil them identity with me. I never force him. I did not. Honestly, I didn't. Ask anybody, or you want me put up at the video. Several times. The boy say, man, get bad up for a man for me. Urban, what you want me do? Me have my receipts. Me have my receipt. Urban, what you do? What you do in the argument? Alkaline baby, yeah, yo. We are doing another argument, Urban. And I lie me I tell. My man get the internet and say. But for a reason. Me and Urban in the same position. Come again.
So Shebada, you cannot give me, as much as you want to seem so smart and you want to come and you want to portray all this intelligence, I'm not taking a relationship
Was I doing that? Thank you, Herbie.
advice from you. I'm not taking a relationship advice from you because man hide you all the time. I be hide and fuck you yet. Nobody has ever claimed you yet. Be hide and fuck.
From Urban on the internet, who claim her? Who claim her? From Urban on the internet, first and foremost, sorry. From Urban on the internet, who claim Urban? Want somebody defend Urban today and say, for me know Urban a claim things. So me and Urban in the same boat. Then all Urban a flash a flashlight in front of my face. And she know me have my searchlight. Eh? You see the funny part about it? Is this, no man never claim me yet, me never come out publicly yet and show a public relationship yet. These are the qualifications that shows that you're enjoying yourself. No, Urban, if you married and you have it right and you have to force your man to be in a picture with you and you have to make the picture extremely dull so we can't see the inmate. Urban, what kind of life you live when your house always empty and quiet? You know, sister, me and you alone make nice in our relationship. Me just ask you a question. Nobody ever come out and say them claim you. Because your man mouth and your mouth look alike. Me think on a family. Me think on a family. Yeah, it's giving Project Pig. For true. This anarchy. This anarchy. I make the little youth them antsy. Me make the little youth them antsy. Urban, I make the little youth them antsy. I make the little boy know say them body have been metal. What you say? Not even your husband cocky can stiff up over 10 years now. I'm tired of your belly bottom because you don't have good skin. Remember you don't have no grip, no muscle, so you never make him cocky box shuffle. If your pum did so good, the boy would have throw cushion in your ear while they're on live. He would have called it off for the live. Okay, come here, Urban. Let me tell you some of the nice things that I want in a relationship. Let me give you a little experience about my hide and seek. You see me? If you draw back from my life them long ago, you used to hear boy in my background and show things for me and they like, Memo! Yeah, I bust the internet to man. I make them know say it's comfortable. My city did have him cushion. The boy lift up many of them and show up and me knock me out to beat me in my head with it. Warm to you, him pull up on my hairstyle. Oh, your man never pull up your hairstyle yet with cushion. Me I go beg you fix your sofa. Me go beg you fix your sofa. We want to see the little ramping pan the app. What the boy say, come now babes, you not done yet. Where I say? A play thing you talk about, I get that record and if I want it now, all me have to do is make a call. Yeah. All me have to do is make a call. So when you say man a tip too, remember sometimes your husband. Remember sometimes to all your belly bottom no good, the boy have to check Shebby. Remember the boy want float coming at me. Remember me walk and say take people. Everybody me have a happy relationship. You know? That's why a man will forever tip to come look for me because a girl like you're too bad for your mouth. The boy them know say can you keep a secret, ask Celine. If walls could talk. That's why man tiptoe. You will never hear a man in my background the same way you can't hear your husband and we cannot hear your artistic child. And you alone have hearing for them. Them speak per mute or signs. Me not ask him a baby. So when you say you never hear a man and you never see a public relationship, remember when me come public with a boy, him supposed to bring me to the forefront, not me bring him. That's the difference between a girl like you and a girl like me. That's the difference. The boy must force him to come at the forefront with him. Me not force the boy. That's what you're doing. That's why you are keep count. I bet your husband don't know how long you married. He wasn't keeping track. He wasn't keeping track. So when you attack this, I mean, no one married. Because right now, marriage gone to the dog and that's why you get ring. I don't want to marry. You say if marriage did have morals, you wouldn't marry. But you see it gone to the dog, that's how comes you end up with a ring. You can never talk good about your husband like how you can talk about your brands. You talk about the ring where you buy and your family them help you buy for marry the boy. You can imagine. Then urban, how you really sit up on the internet and you know so your entire body feel all your skin. And you really sit up on the internet and go like you're a potion a lady. Yeah man, you can't hide it. You see it though? I know say you see it because from the last time I touched you, I wonder where did I get such creativity when I talk about the emoji belly. I know you saw it. Don't mess with my tutu. I come in. Urban, you not ready yet, my baby. You not ready yet. K beat you bad. From you can't teach K how to do marriage, you can't argue with K. K young and she want to learn a decades in it a mind cocky. The funny part about life is when you mind would under matrimonial vows. Remember Queenie? You can't talk to me, Urban. You're miserable like Queenie. I own alone married and terrible. Me not ask on the use no will and buy cock. You can't argue with nobody, my baby. You have to go fix up your body as a young girl, and when you look back by yourself and see how much you could have accomplished at your waistband, this, the inmate, it hurts you. Sometimes when I care you want to cuss you. But you know when nobody say you're mad. The inmate got terrible, the inmate got kinky you. I not ask you. The inmate got do your things. I not ask you. You have a right to can't show your man because your man is as ugly as your skin. Keep a baby father in a maternity ward no know me. How did I get them? A girl like me make girl like you are worrying. A girl like me stress out girl like you on the ring. A girl like me get girl like you headache and the white gold. You never know. When you are pay for what me I get for free, you never know that. And you really are come about tippity toe, they rather tiptoe for pleasure than walk publicly with a smile on them face with you. That you never know. Pretty Dan should I tell you this about me because she come about this already, you know. She come about this already and Camille not even did want to be seen on the app with her. And you see which part the relationship end up now. And you come with it too. And if your man did want to be seen with you, he would have come public with you. And you force the man, pick the man that even knows him the public. God no. Honestly. Hey, you are a stranger in your house. One artistic child and a stranger. And Urban, you want to argue with people. Urban, go and several seats because your voice a break. Me not ask you. Your voice a break. Me tell you say you have nothing to teach K but cuss K. I saw when you have nothing to teach girl and cuss them. Move on where you want to compare relationship and your man a duck you. I play hide and seek you and your man a play under the white goal and the decade. Appear hide and seek, your man not proud. I don't bring my man to the front. It's not you don't bring your man, you bring people business, you bring your brands, you bring everything, bring your artistic child like your man. But once your family Christmas gone and all we can see you do is force the people them to take picture. Force them. Why would you not sit down and sing, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we'll not give back to the world, not even a songs. Not even a songs. Then you're not happy. You can't believe a young girl like you bring forth an artistic child. Let us talk about that. A young girl like you with all of the possibility could never bring forth a possible. Let us talk about that. What you mean not the child? How you mean not the child? I wanna make girl be dirty mother on the internet. Oh no, make girl be careless mother because we pick, choose and refuse how to address carelessness. Not even you. You can imagine people out the road shame your man and your man shame you. Only work out that chain effect. Chain effect. But me don't know what do are. And yeah, come out. Chef Kiss read me gear, Jody B. Yeah. You can't talk to nobody urban. You're young and sad. Today Friday, you should not waste Friday foreign and cold. You shouldn't be doing that. You and your man should have out there look through the window like at Christmas and a drink hot chocolate and a rub on the teeth with crackers. Cause when I reach gum stage yet. So you're miserable for a young girl, then me could have one relationship like Urban One. Tell me the truth with God love. Tell me the truth. I don't know which girl make man broke them a particular way. But me man crave. Then a boy and me could never. Then today Friday, I know me and mind the boy. Me not tell you like all when you have your Walmart job and my money fat. Me not tell you no like, sir, what are you leave work? Me can't wait for you leave work. You're not in love. Over 10 years you should have been at because you're supposed to pass the worst. Over 10 years. You're not supposed to do nothing for stress you out now. You're supposed to can't shut your eye and say you're going to cheat next month. Watch it. Me asleep. Him so come in. Yeah, 5 minutes time. By the time you Quentin pull the door, you don't have no connection with your man. You are your man and a soulmate under the vows. Over 10 years, your man still not soulmate. You're a little bit lonely. You're lonely on the inside. There's a stranger in my house. So when I do go on and sex. If you can't get a boy out, you can't get him body, you married somebody else. It better 10 man or 10,000 man discover you than one man have you for 10,000 years. A damage and a batter bruise you and make you lose all yourself, your sanity, your dignity, your pride, your joy, your peace, your happiness. Make you lose everything, all your exercise, a long suffering. And in the Bible, in the scripture, in the Psalms, in the Proverbs, in the Ecclesiastic, in the native songs of Solomon. You're mad. I don't know what kind of culture on the culture. You know how me know say urban a man dumpling? Me have to tell you now how me know say urban a man dumpling. Urban a one nice man dumpling. All she want a little shit as butter. Urban a man dumpling. It no care the age of a man is willing to start over. You never, nothing can tell me whether start over in a molest. You understand me? I'll start over in a happiness. I'll start over in a pida. He is willing to start over. Never you see a woman willing to start over when a man walk out pan her. So that's why that young girl there do sit down and hold on pan man. Hold on pan things when I promise to you. No Adele not in your relationship. Your man now say hello. He must say goodbye world. I can't stay no longer with you. Goodbye pleasures. Him see as pleasures I've seen. No, it's not lie. So when Urban come up, oh, me this, you never see my husband and I, we try. Things not so sweet at times, but at least when I want to let go, him hold on. And when him want to let go, me hold on. There is no Venus and Serena in another relationship. And a girl go rest, your skin a drop and you're young, you're in your 20s, you're a miracle. Because we never know say 20-year-old could have quail. We never know say a wrinkle could have take 20. We never know that. We never know say a wrinkle could have take 20. You! Come here. You got this, sir? You got this, sir? Code, all them picture them code up. And you want signs than that? You want more signs than that? And then you never walk and talk, so you don't have relationship. Make your husband phone rest in front of you too long. Remember say you alone married and the man phone upon silence in the house, you don't know him ringtone. You can never pick up him phone and say, honey, Shebada call you. Do that and win, Urban. Urban, do that and win. Don't ask me why me a cuss her and don't want me tell you come suck me. Don't ask me why me a cuss her. Me don't want a big old girl and a deadwood boy come over here and question me. I cuss anybody me feel like I don't know. My class anybody me feel like. Me don't want a big old girl come over here and question me. Don't come over here and question me. Don't do it. When you hear me attack, run or sit. Yeah? Exactly. Tell them. Run or sit. Yeah, back to Urban she. Then Urban, oh, your man have a code on him phone. Just like how she come with people business, we can't come with fear. She not have to do me nothing. Yeah, well, the girl have to pass near my Louvre glass and take out one. Or even crack it. She not do me nothing. She not have to do me nothing. Me just hear her chat shit and jump on it. And me a carry it. Yeah. And I know if I wouldn't like my speech because my rapper and on the earth I touch some of uno. Yeah. The child need to be a wife and a mother. Teach K something tell you there cost K. Use your qualification, which is a decade. Use your certification, which is a decade. Yeah, and teach K how to be a wife and a mother. Teach her that since you're young and you're married early before the vulgar girl, yeah. Teach her how to be vulgar in a relationship so she can come on the internet and teach girl like Ivani how to be a lady. Or even bling her. Teach her. But you don't have nothing in class. You don't have nothing a teacher, eh? You don't have nothing a teacher. Your man shame and you lean into picture and you force the man to take photograph. Me I wonder how much photo him have you in him phone. Remember all I wonder how much photo him have in you over the decade. Eh? The funny part of when in a relationship and can't borrow your husband's phone for make a call. I don't understand how you're married and your husband have a lap on him phone. I only a mistake. Uno waste girl normalize some things. Uno waste girl normalize some things in a relationship. Me don't know how uno walk and own up man and the man not own up. That's the difference. That is the difference, Urban. So enough of your things I call out. That is why you tell me I'm intelligent. Yeah. That is why you tell me I'm intelligent. Honestly. Because you know say half of the things that I attack are your mistake them. Your mistake them. From your 18 you have a ring and suck old. Give up now, your mouth must tired if you suck the same cocky when you want your saliva for so long. You don't get tired in trying. You don't get tired, everybody get tired in trying down to old people. But them not stop and you that you're determined, you know. You're determined by any means necessary that what you have to did before you did before, don't. Okay. But what you want me to do? You want me to have 3-4 marriages. It's better you have 3-4 marriages. It's better you say no fornication. You divorce him where better you're married to him and you don't know how this is going to last, how long this is going to last. But you don't want sex under matrimonial home. Yeah, you don't fornicate. You know, see the foreign people them do it. Look on J-Lo, she no run for let go, man. She no as a queen J-Lo are married. That bitch. as your queen J-Lo are married, and you alone hold up and touch her for 10 years, my baby. Touch her. Boy, you give 40 days and 40 nights. Go give your husband that. Go and give your husband that. You not have to run your front because nobody don't want it. Remember your skin loose. Remember you not have no grip in your pum pum and disappointment of your crutches that kill you. Always remember that because not even when you give your husband bun during the 10 years, no boy no stay with you. Never upset the marriage. Remember your husband cocky stiffer than your skin. Your husband cocky firmer than your skin. It's a disgrace. All the man go on you and you must see him kiss a sink. Remember him can't kiss you on your shoulder because him lip go sink. Remember, your body can't get kissed up in a disappointment to lips. You have to stress in a girl and you're so young. You're young. You're young. Me not body shame you, but you're young. Fix your skin. You're young. You're young. All of your pants, them are high waist. Where you hide? Cause me don't know why K do that. K don't know how for class, yo. K shout too much. Nobody not hear what K say. K don't know how for class. You go be a wife and a mother. You depend on the internet and everybody business. And your child is artistic. Your child is artistic. You that him for buy 3 more?
Huh?
Where you say that him for to buy 3 more?
Yeah.
I lie, I me buy the box. Jesus, I lie, don't say so. Urban, sorry about that. I'm gonna like talk to people and walk away, you know. Hush, Urban. Yeah. Couldn't be me. What could it be you? Eh? And what could it be you? Eh? Your man could have a lock on him phone in a marriage. That's why I don't know why some girl got married and your husband a code of him phone. Then you know sister puppy show thing. And you cause kid, then you lay down 10 years on the puppy show. 10 years on the puppy show. A puppy show thing this. Oh, my phone dead finally. Puppy show thing. No, for sure, a puppy show thing. Ladies, let me tell you the truth where God love. And I don't want to sound like Marky Mark because some boy were for fool for, but fool for all long. Because I have 10 years now, 3 years now, 2 years to get a boy. I not even have 1 year for you trick me. And 1 inch me stop and 6 months that. Oh, I remember 3 months out of the 6. We now like we live good, good. And if you breed me after that first 3 months there, you know say things start go down. So me alone with mine in the belly. And me skin out and take the evidence from the cocky. Yeah. So for sit down 10 years and that man will to the day not feel comfortable around you or in a photo with you. It's astounding. It's very much astounding. Like me and Connor don't. And that me have to tell her, no man don't want to be seen with me. Man don't want to be seen with me. No man don't want me show them up, them want to show up me. And that's the difference. No man don't want to show up me. No man don't want me show them up. Them always want to show up me. That's why I sit down and humble and be a bad bitch. And that's the difference. When me I take picture, boy try brace me out of the picture. Me not lean into man. Yeah, man come back and hold me so. And I squeeze me, them proud for grab me. To him, who is going to? It look like a PhD I get the baby. Who have him? Cause we never hear the baby I broke nothing yet. I pay plastic you have in the house. Me just want to know, because I see one artistic child going around, me don't know for Walmart, and he mash up multiple TV. So I want to know if you give your child DPH, Z-Quell and NyQuil. Me just want to know. Me just want to know. As someone me ask, because we never hear no sound in your house. Is a cathedral you live? Is a cathedral? Me just you notice that pure question me ask, I know me not sir. Me just ask pure question. When the tea add, so you gonna tell me say you're married and we not hear none of that? None of that? And your house alone around on the cathedral. Your house alone around on the silence, so you're in everybody business. Everybody business you're in. We never hear you do live morning, noon and night. That much you can say about you. It's not like you have a specific time when you do live. No, it's true. It's not like you have a specific time when you do live. You do live morning, noon and night. And we never hear nobody a walk yet. We hear all dog a walk outside. People hear bus, them ask if I live on main road. We never hear nobody in your house yet you're happy in your marriage. You're the only one on the white gold we're happy and the kid. And we never hear nobody yet a crawl a tiptoe in your living condition, in your matrimonial home. You can't come and tell we everything and we believe because you not have nothing to show with. You not have nothing to show with. Nobody wants you. You're a little bit sad. The man that you go to your old family at 18. Him cocky tired of your vagina. Ask the man them out the road. You have to make the boy miss you sometimes. When the boy decides him one guy one truck stop your beg. Somebody say, K you call me? K you call me where? What should they call me? Yeah? Yeah, see me here. What's your day? Yeah, call me. Good afternoon, Wagwan. Them say K, you call me. K? Yeah. Me not K unforgettable. Answer. Yeah, she may answer. What she answer? Yeah, but me not see her. Oh, she dep on her live and call me. Oh. Them say she dep on her live and call me.